Hello everyone, welcome back to the JAMB channel. In this lesson, we are going to solve a classic circle theorem problem step by step. This is the kind of question students often rush and lose easy marks. So relax, follow carefully, and you will see how simple it really is. In the diagram, line XR equal to line QR. Our line XR equal to our line QR. Also, angle XRP equal to 65 degree. Angle XRP equal to 65 degree. And angle RPQ equal to 48 degree. Angle RPQ equal to 48 degree. Find angle PRQ. Angle PRQ. This angle. Solution. You will see that in the diagram, our angle RPQ and angle QS are angles at the what? At the circumference, and both are standing on the same arc QR. By the angle in the same segment theorem, angles standing on the same arc are equal. So we can say our angle QXR equal to angle RPQ. So angle QSR equal to 48 degree, because our angle RPQ is equal to 48 degree. So we can say this angle equal to 48 degree. Now the next thing that we need to do is that let us label this point A. Let us consider this triangle XAR. In triangle XAR, angle XAR, angle XAR plus angle AXR, angle AXR plus angle ARX, ARX equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So let us substitute our angle AXR, which is 48 degree, and angle ARX, which is 65 degree, into this equation. Angle XAR plus 48 degree plus 65 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle XAR plus, if we add 48 degree plus 65 degree, is going to give us 113 degree. 113 degree equal to 180 degree. Our angle XAR equal to 180 degree minus 113 degree. What happened here is that if we transpose 113 degree to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative. So we are going to have this. So our angle XAR equal to 67 degree. 180 degree minus 113 degree will give us 67 degree. That means that our angle XAR is 67 degree. 67 degree. The next thing that we want to do is that we want to consider this triangle XQR, and in the diagram we were told that line XR is equal to line QR. Since line XR equals to line QR, it means that our triangle SQR is an isosceles triangle, and base angle of isosceles triangle are equal to one another. So we can say that our angle RXQ is equal to our angle RQX. Angle RQX is equal to angle RXQ. Angle RQX equal to 48 degree, because our angle RSQ here is 48 degree. So we can say this angle is 48 degree. Next, we want to consider this triangle AQR, and in this triangle AQR, the exterior angle for the triangle is our angle XAR, which is already calculated to be 67 degree. And according to exterior angle theorem, it states that the measures of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two remote interior angles. What the theorem is saying is that the measure of angle XAR is equal to the sum of angle AQR plus angle ARQ. Mathematically, it can be written as angle ARQ plus angle AQR equal to angle XAR. And in this diagram, our angle AQR is 48 degree and our angle XAR is 67 degree. So let us substitute them into this equation. Angle ARQ plus 48 degree equal to 67 degree. Angle ARQ equal to 67 degree minus 48 degree. If we transpose 48 degree to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative sign. So we are going to have this. Angle ARQ equal to 19 degree. So our angle ARQ is equal to 19 degree. From the diagram, you will agree with me that our angle PRQ is the same thing as our angle ARQ. So we can say angle PRQ equal to angle ARQ. Angle PRQ equal to 19 degree. If you find this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more circle theorem question explained like this. Thank you.